Hey guys, I'm at Campbell Valley Farms in Langley, BC, and I wanted to make a video about, people have asked me about GAP certification before. And I don't feel comfortable making a video how to be GAP, but I do want to show you a work area that is GAP certified. And I want to talk about some of the principles in it and what are some of the basic things that they're looking for. And there's really three things that are most important. So this is where they do all their washing and packing. And so they can move this table out of here, which they do their packing of greens on when it comes time to wash, and they're doing a lot of stuff in here. But there's really three things that are super important with having a place be GAP certified. So if you don't know what GAP certified is, just Google it. It means good agricultural practices. And it's becoming a thing that's becoming more and more enforced across Canada and the US. And it's not even enforced, at least in Canada, but there are people are insisting on it. Like some customers might say, hey, we want you to be GAP certified. And so one of the things is you got to have washable walls. So these are like a plastic type covering. It almost looks like what's on the inside of a walk-in cooler, so that you can basically wash everything down, sanitize everything. They like stainless steel. They like stainless steel washing countertops and things like that. You can sometimes get these fairly cheap because restaurants that are going out of business, which are everywhere, are getting rid of these things. And then the other thing that they really want to see is washable floors, like a concrete slab that can be power washed off. And usually these kind of slab floors will be on a 1 or 2% grade, so that they'll be sloped outwards or towards a drain or something like that. And that's really what they're looking for. The other thing is they always want you to have a hand washing station that has hot water, and they want to see your soap next to it. And then of course they've got their walk-in cooler here, part of the same slab floor, washable walls in here, though I don't know if you need to have washable walls to be GAP certified in your walk-in cooler, but it certainly looks like they do in there. So yeah, that's what a GAP certified post-harvest area looks like. Hope you guys found that helpful. If you have, hit the subscribe button, like, and share the videos with your friends. All right, talk to you later.